62%. The wind was southwest at 12 miles an hour, gusting to 25. Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in California: Butte, Colusa, and Glen. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Colusa County in central California, southwestern Butte County in northern California, southeastern Glen County in central California until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in California: Butte, Colusa, and Glen. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in California: Butte, Colusa, and Glen. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio, the voice of